Imagine this. A natural disaster strikes. Your access to regular food is cut off. What do? Having a well-stocked pantry is important, but knowing about superfoods can make all the difference. Superfoods are nutritional powerhouses. They can provide essential nutrients even in the toughest situations. In an emergency, your body needs maximum nourishment. Superfoods deliver this. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help your body stay strong and healthy. They also boost your immune system. This is crucial when access to medical care might be limited. Knowing about superfoods is like having a secret weapon. They not only provide sustenance, they also offer a sense of security. Knowing you have a source of dense nutrition can be incredibly comforting during a crisis. Did you know that some superfoods, like honey, never spoil? Honey has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible. Let's dive into the world of superfoods and see why they are essential for your emergency preparedness plan. What exactly are superfoods? You might have heard this term thrown around a lot lately. Superfoods are foods with exceptional nutrient density. They are not just any ordinary foods. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. These elements are crucial for maintaining optimal health. These nutrients are vital for our bodies. They help in various bodily functions and keep us feeling our best. They support everything from energy production to immune function. Imagine having a natural boost that keeps you active and healthy. Think of superfoods as nature's multivitamins. They offer a more holistic approach to nutrition, but they are much more than that. They provide a range of nutrients that work together harmoniously. They offer a complex interplay of nutrients that work synergistically. This synergy enhances their overall effectiveness. This means their combined effect is greater than the sum of their parts. It's like a well-coordinated team working towards a common goal. What sets superfoods apart is their ability to support our health in profound ways. They can make a significant difference in our well-being. Regular consumption of superfoods can boost energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and improve overall vitality, and strengthen our defenses against diseases. They act as a natural shield, protecting us from various health issues. They can also improve digestion, promote healthy skin, and contribute to a glowing complexion, and even elevate our mood. Imagine feeling happier and more balanced just by eating the right foods. In simple terms, superfoods are nutritional powerhouses that provide a wide range of health benefits. They are a gift from nature. By incorporating them into our diets, we are giving our bodies the tools they need to thrive, even in challenging circumstances. So why not make superfoods a part of your daily routine? Let's meet some of these incredible superfoods: quinoa, chia seeds, and kale. These three ingredients have taken the health world by storm, and for good reason. They are not only packed with essential nutrients, but also offer a range of health benefits that can support your overall well-being. These nutritional powerhouses are easy to store and incredibly versatile. Whether you have a large pantry or a small kitchen, you can always find a spot for these superfoods. They can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making them a staple in any healthy diet. Quinoa, a complete protein source, is a powerhouse of energy. This ancient grain has been cultivated for thousands of years and is known for its high nutritional value. Unlike most grains, it boasts all 9 essential amino acids, making it a perfect choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, supporting muscle function, and promoting overall health. Quinoa cooks quickly and can be enjoyed as a warm breakfast porridge, a cold salad, or a hearty soup. Its versatility makes it a great addition to any meal, whether you're looking for something light or something more substantial. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These small seeds have been used for centuries by ancient civilizations for their energy-boosting properties. They absorb water and expand in your stomach, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This makes them an excellent addition to any weight management plan. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, sprinkled on yogurt, or mixed with water to create a gel that can be used as an egg replacement in recipes. Their neutral flavor allows them to blend seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes. Kale, a leafy green superstar, is a nutritional powerhouse. This cruciferous vegetable is known for its high nutrient density and numerous health benefits. It's bursting with vitamins K, A, and C, as well as antioxidants and minerals. These nutrients help support immune function, promote healthy skin, and protect against chronic diseases. Kale can be enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or sautéed with garlic for a delicious side dish. Its robust flavor and texture make it a versatile ingredient in a variety of recipes. These are just a few examples of the many superfoods that can empower your emergency preparedness plan. Including these nutrient-dense foods in your diet can help ensure you have the energy and nutrients needed to face any situation. By incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet, you'll be giving your body the strength and resilience it needs to thrive, no matter what challenges come your way. Embrace the power of superfoods and take a step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Did you know that the term superfood is relatively recent? It gained popularity in the early 2000s as a marketing term. However, many cultures have recognized the extraordinary health benefits of certain foods for centuries. Take quinoa, for example. The ancient Incas revered quinoa as the mother grain. They recognized its remarkable nutritional value and ability to sustain them in the harsh Andean highlands. Similarly, chia seeds were a staple food for the Aztecs and Mayans, who prized them for their energy-boosting properties. The history of superfoods reminds us that nature provides us with everything we need to thrive. By rediscovering these ancient wisdom traditions and embracing the power of superfoods, we can enhance our health and resilience for generations to come. Creating a superfood emergency plan is easier than you might think. It starts with understanding the nutritional benefits of various superfoods and how they can support your health in times of need. Start by gradually incorporating more superfoods into your daily diet. This can be as simple as adding a handful of berries to your breakfast or blending spinach into your smoothies. This will help you identify your favorites and explore different ways to prepare them. Experiment with recipes and find what works best for you and your family. Next, stock up on shelf-stable superfoods. These are foods that can be stored for long periods without spoiling, making them perfect for emergencies. Quinoa, chia seeds, beans, lentils, and nuts are all excellent choices. They are packed with essential nutrients and can be used in a variety of dishes. These foods have a long shelf life and require minimal preparation. They are versatile and can be used in many different recipes. Consider investing in a quality food storage system to keep your superfoods fresh and protected. Vacuum sealers and airtight containers can extend the shelf life of your foods significantly. It's also wise to have a plan for how you'll prepare your superfoods in an emergency. Think about the cooking methods you can use if you don't have access to your usual kitchen appliances. A simple camping stove or even a solar oven can be invaluable. These tools can help you cook nutritious meals even when the power is out. Don't forget to store water purification tablets or a water filter to ensure access to clean drinking water. Hydration is just as important as food in an emergency. By taking these steps, you'll be well prepared to nourish yourself and your loved ones with the power of superfoods, even in the face of unexpected challenges. Your health and well-being are worth the effort. Ready to take your emergency preparedness to the next level? Download our free ebook, Creating a Family Survival Superfood Plan, Strategies for All Ages. This comprehensive guide provides everything you need to know about incorporating superfoods into your emergency plan. Inside, you'll discover in-depth profiles of the top 10 superfoods for survival, delicious and easy-to-follow recipes using shelf-stable superfoods, practical tips for storing and preparing superfoods in an emergency, and expert advice on creating a balanced and nutritious emergency food plan. This ebook is packed with valuable information that can make a real difference in a crisis. It's our gift to you because we believe everyone deserves to feel prepared and empowered, no matter what life throws their way. Don't wait for an emergency to strike. Take charge of your preparedness today. Download your free copy of Creating a Family Survival Superfood Plan, Strategies for All Ages now, and discover the power of superfoods for yourself. See the description below. In the next video of our series, we'll delve deeper into the world of survival foods, exploring how to choose the best options for your stockpile. Stay tuned for more essential tips and strategies to enhance your emergency preparedness.